Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah asserts men have major responsibility in empowering women. Forest Minister Tej Shyam Kumar vows to save Loktak Lake, warns against construction in and around Loktak Lake. MoMA signed memorandum of agreement with 2 private companies for exporting organic ginger, turmeric and king chili, Umorok. And petroleum companies gear up to open 171 new regular and rural fuel outlets in Manipur. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangtum with the headlines in details. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah has stressed on the responsibility of men in empowering women. Attending the Women in Governance Northeast Conference 2018, 16 days campaign on violence against women organized by Women in Governance Wing Northeast at Hotel Classic in Chingmairong today, Dr. Najma Heptullah asserted that women empowerment will be realized only when women are respected and ensured equal rights as men. She lamented that a society is still reluctant to empower women despite hue and cries to do the same. The governor stated that constitutional laws alone cannot empower women, but it can only support. She stressed the need to raise awareness among men on the contributions, roles and difficulties facing women to bring about real changes. Governor Najma Heptullah also called on activists working for uplifting women's section to continue working relentlessly with their endeavor of bringing men and women on equal platform. Chairperson of Manipur State Commission for Women, Dr. Mainam Binota, convener of Wing India, Asha Kotwal, State DIG AP1 Mamata Wahengbam and delegates from Assam, Mizoram and Nagaland attended the event. Editor-in-Chief of Impact News, Yumna Rupachandra moderated a technical session of the event held on the theme, Strengthening the Role of Women in Collective in Governance and Decision-Making, where many experts gave their resourceful insights.
It is the responsibility of every man also to see that the women are empowered. Because when we talk about smooth moving of the wheels, if there are 2 wheels in a cart, both the wheels have to work together. If the one wheel is going slow, then the cart will go round and round. It will never go forward. And now the agenda for development is also depends mostly on empowerment of women. The United Nations agenda basic was equality. When there is an equality in the society, and within the home, if there is equality, then there is peace. And if there is peace, then only the development can take place. It is
Forest and Environment Minister Thaunaucham Shyam Kumar has warned against any construction in and around Loktak Lake. Speaking to media at his office in New Secretariat, Babupara today, Minister Tej Shyam Kumar expressed disappointment that the relevant department was not consulted while setting up Handlooms Hut's ongoing construction of a school and hotels in and around Loktak Lake, asserting that such constructions have the potential to harm the unique lake. Minister Shyam Kumar also expressed apprehension at the proposed construction of Ayush Hospital in the area. The minister stated that such constructions will not be allowed in the area and affirmed to get rid of the existing setups. He urged everyone to cooperate in safeguarding Loktak Lake.
Environment kaya pirak Loktak Lake mosalakpa sina koi sapsana madu hana tormal lega madu lokthokpuyo and department sing madu koi ayaba department sing onema chief secretary onema chief minister gi si LD gi mana he is the chairman of the local development authority magi ayaba yaudana adagi ai isagi forest environment gi koi kayumba knowledge am pidana madu tawning tawdo madu ail gi wang madu sabsana koi action logri aduna ai media gi thongda appeal tawi
Unique Wildlife Protection Committee has handed over a poacher to Central Forest Division, Mantri Pukri, for further legal actions. The miscreant is identified as Lashram Nilkomol, 58 years, from Pukramba Maninglekai of Bishnupur district. Officials of the committee caught Nilkomol red-handed while he was trapping Indian pone heron in Pukrambam area. Laumi Sinmi Apun Balub, Lausal has displayed a banner with the slogan, "Let's stop burning haze and make fertilizers out of haze" at Koiramban market today. Taking part in the campaign, Lausal Secretary Maibam Sunil stated that the banner was put up as a part of Lausal's ongoing campaign to make Manipur a fully organic state by 2020 under Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeast region. He is sure of continuing the campaign in collaboration with relevant department in various villages of the state. Manipur Organic Mission Agency MOMA has today signed Memorandum of Agreement with two private companies to export organic ginger, turmeric and king chili umorok. The MOAs were signed in the presence of Horticulture and Soil Conservation Minister Taunaujam Shyamkumar in his office at Babupara. Speaking to media, Minister Shyamkumar stated that the MOUs were signed between MOMA, Diocesan Social Service Society DSSS, Imphal and Riverbeki OPC Private Limited, Guwahati, for exporting at least 15 metric tons of organic ginger, turmeric and king chili in a year. Assuring that the latest undertakings will relieve some of the grievances facing the farmers in regards to lack of marketing facility in the state, Minister Shyamkumar also urged the farmers to enhance their productions as much as possible. MOMA Project Director K. Devadatta signed the MOAs with Director of Diocesan Social Service Society, Imphal, Evans Anthony Delbing, and with Director of Riverbeki OPC Private Limited, Guwahati, Pranaj Kumar Roy.
Masina koi kana ba pidurisi Manipur laiba laumi mayam ame tungan ba decision da hori ba organic oiba political department gi momana organic mission chatharpa aduma program si mang changsilli ame ngasi phawda sakara sina lepa leitan changsilli habe chobo khudam mani
mathangi thada November akoi gi December laiba December sigi manungda akoi auction asoba ma tawduna organic product kuding makki commodities kuding makki chakhau umorok yaingang sing kihom punamaki auction achobama Ministry of Steel na amukka na tawduna ekoi sing tandrigi mamangda singji kamai tawna yon gdagi haibudo madugi chapchaba ekoi gi lambi ma yatnabagi adumba yaba mesu ekoi gi honorable minister na pibibadagi ekoi madusu changchinaba sem sari
masina koi kanaba pidurisi
Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit President M. Tombi has stressed the need for politicians to cooperate and support one another for resolving various issues of the state. Tombi asserted that Shiv Sena does not believe in opposing every moves of the government as an opposition party. Speaking to media at the party's office in Babupara today, Tombi intimated that the state party leaders have apprised the party's national leaders about various concerns and issues of the state during Shiv Sena national meeting held in Maharashtra on November 18. The party president conveyed that the Manipuri members realize various inadequacies in the state after witnessing various developmental works undertaken in 12 other states of India. Tombi urged the people of the state to stop playing blame games and making issues out of anything and everything.
sacrifice khara tawnaba matam oire na khalli Manipur gi hujiki leriba saktam se UP gi Mazapur district aina ma lei district to Manipur go mani chawi akoi isda mioi kun ga tare kuni pan gaktang leiba seista political party chuna yonge sida angang ngangi pangang palang dalang nei black game blame sina utu gi sarbana sare issue sungai ni tabda thi leire hujik leriba state government civil singi ba honorable CM birena Manipur state transport hingadan ba tongan ma singi district tareta leriba sarkar sigi lu singi birena tawthok ki matung ina ma kai then tarit ki mon taruk loigre endo to no hujik akoi ki traffic light si pura fail loidon le mabni amator so ni dor su masai to function to go hori bese akoi ki mai ni pina phaba to su ai di opposition ni na dum chai ne ban si hebe sidi sibisena bunuk si puna maki wakhalon da koi yauk de
Vice Chairperson of Manipur State Disaster Management Authority, MSDMA Adim Pamay has been appointed as a National President of Scheduled Tribe Unit of Bharatiya Modi Army, BMA. National President of BMA, Dr. Rajiv Ahuja, handed over the official letter to Adim Pamay during an event held at Hotel Yaipaba today. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. Rajiv Ahuja asserted that BMA, established 12 years ago, is a non-governmental organization spread across 16 states with over 26 lakh volunteers. He said BMA has been undertaken an active role in spreading the message of communal harmony and principles of Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
He is the right choice. He has so many things for his for the scheduled tribe people, and he is very popular amongst them also, and he is a very hard worker, and he is very kind-hearted, and he loves his country. He has patriotism in his mind. Yesterday, in a short spell of time, he gathered hundreds of people outside that Lampak Stadium. So many people with carrying tricolor in their hand and shouting slogans in favor of India. It was a big thing. We are proud of him, and I think nobody can compete him.
Speaking on the occasion, Adim Pamay is sure to take full responsibility of the Modi army in unifying the nation. He further said that he will deliver all the programs and schemes of the government to beneficiaries as a national president of the Scheduled Tribe Unit of BMA.
Modi na scheme introduce tau khiba makai singse grassroots level yaubra yaudabra asi singse khoi tawraga khoi honorable khoi ge president ga tawraga leiriba pot singse khoi grassroots level yaunga gi tawgani aduga election campaign da khoi na party sigi BJP party siga akhoi punna chatminaraga BJP party na organization na changba ngamdaba mafam da khoi changba khoi na changba ngamdaba mafam ja BJP ge organization sina khoi na changba smai tawro khoi se punna oneness where khoi thabak sugani.
Prescribed group Kanglai Park Communist Party People's War Group Marxist Center in a press release has greeted the people of the state and its jailed members on the occasion of the group's second foundation day on November 27th. The prescribed group stated that a socialist society can be attained only with unity, and hence urge everyone to fight for unity and freedom of the state. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on petroleum companies opening 171 new petrol pumps in the state. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited and Indian Oil Corporation Limited are eyeing to open 171 new regular and rural fuel outlets, petrol pumps in the state. The same was intimated by Deputy Sales Manager and State Level Coordinator of Indian Oil Corporation, Sinam Ibungoton today. Speaking to media at Hotel Nirmala, BT Road, Sinam Ibungoton conveyed that the oil marketing companies have decided to expand retail outlet networks in the state to meet the growing fuel needs in the wake of highway expansion, increasing agricultural and industrial activities, etc. He maintained that opening of such retail outlets in rural areas will help in ensuring quality and correct pricing of fuels to the residents. Ibungoton also mentioned that individuals interested in taking up dealership of the fuel outlets can visit the website www.petrolpumpdealerchayan.in for further details.
Expansion of retail outlet network, that is petrol pump, is undertaken by oil marketing companies primarily to meet the growing fuel needs and convenience of customers in emerging markets like upcoming highways, agricultural pockets, and industrial hubs. The retail outlet network in rural, remote, and far-flung areas are also being expanded with the intention of reaching products predominantly SSD, ensuring quality and correct price to meet the rural agricultural demand. Centralized computer system will be there. There will be actually password will come at the time of drop lot only. No member will know. State government, central, and the OMC, that is oil marketing companies, representative will be there. So it will be done online instantly.
A team of 45 Myanmarese delegates, including Chief Minister of Saigyang Region of Myanmar, Dr. Myint Naing, Immigration Minister Myint Ki, Social Welfare Minister Zo Win, and an MLA of Saigyang Region have reached Manipur to attend the Sangai Festival today. Sports Minister Letpa Hawkip, Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam, act as Policy State Convener R.K. Sivchandra, DC and SP Technopol accorded a warm welcome to the Myanmarese team in Mori. The officials then boarded helicopter and flew for Imphal. Saigyang Chief Minister graced Manipur Myanmar friendly women football matches in Kuman Lampak Main Stadium as a chief guest this afternoon. Speaking to media during the reception event in More, Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam intimated that efforts are on to enhance educational ties between Manipur and Myanmar.
Tangnaba yumlonaba khoi ki leibak sing asiga mari phagatnaba hotnabada Myanmar gi team adagi aduda hendoktana Japanese ki sumo wrestling competition zo hojek indoor hoda chathaduna leiri
laiba satra singsi atopa akoina sanghan ningdaba atopa element gumo iramgadra haibagi chingnaba kharadagi amara ama adum akoi identity card si phajana check tawna moi background check tawna khona bagi adu ma khara wari watai khana leinaki adu akoi yaringai imthangnaba leiba kamari phajana phaba isi tangai phadabanina yam laithu olaga akoi education sina he nangnaba mari poroknaba akoi education department na kan achoba khongtha amlo khali
Tangnaba yumlonaba khoi ki leibak sing.
The 45 Myanmarese delegates were also accorded a warm reception at CG Hospital's auditorium in Langol today. Managing Director of CG Hospitals, Dr. Kudongbam Palin, presented gifts to the delegate teams. Discussing related to health sector, present and upcoming projects highlighted the event. Salai Holdings Private Limited accorded warm welcome to Myanmarese Meiteis from Mandalay, Bhamwan, Laikai who are in the state for attending Manipur's Sangai Festival. Taking part in the event held at Salai Holdings office in Teralo Krakpam, Laikai, Vice Chairman of Salai Holdings, Naringbam Bisorjit stated that the company bore all expenses and arranged the visit of 20 Myanmarese Meiteis in collaboration with Indo-Myanmar Association. He intimated that the team visited Salai Holdings' various units apart from visiting sacred and historic sites of the state. Bisorjit said the trip was organized to make the Manipuri diasporas feel welcomed as well as to enhance ties between the two countries. A Myanmarese Meitei, Brahmachari Mayum Gayatri, expressed gratitude on being able to visit the land of her forefathers. She also expressed a desire for such trip in the future.
Equine sponsor Toroga Masidish Day Queen and see some chamna Queen Langan sing Moisikan Togarang, so Quigi unit sing Mayama, Equigi Ladyba, Chilnau sing a sigi, entrepreneurship Kiamadi Masama Sagi Ladyba, Santok Lambishing a se, Kari Kari Labiga Hebdo, Equi Salai Holdings Private Limited Ki Ladyba, Equi Company, Taragani Pani Quick Lajeris overseas companies, Mangama, Machina, tawba yaba kari kari kano tawba leibagi haibase ekoi yengsinjanabagi damak tahanbagi oina ekoi site sing sida mafam sing sida makoi si ekoi visit tawnabagi dang pujabani ngasi si ekoi achamba lengyan sing ekoi salai salai fiseng na sajaba lengyan sing ase chamna ekoi kudol tamjaraga admain tawdane ekoi si okpagi tharoma sing ase ekoi sinjabani.
Winners of the second local level mathematics competition were felicitated with trophies and cash rewards at Ningthau Bazaar Community Hall today. Youth Educational Sports and Social Development Association Ningthau jointly organized a competition at Ningthau Higher Secondary School on October 7th. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Bishnupur Assembly Constituency Govindas Kwanthocham urged every parents to spare time for spending with their children to guide and nurture them.
Isasing suruh tu, kita sampai si bangun nama ini keleba, ini kerjaan singkat. Malam tu mereka mengenal macam si education system si, how betul kita pilih kota ni bas suruh tu koi dah nama. Sarkana semua koi dah opportunity pilih nama, koi pun nama mai koi dah darkar kaya. Mado, garsian, ozane, sakane, Yesus bui makom ohum si, usil kan kata masih koi tu kalau ini sini dah. Ini kerjaan singkat ini hajar ini si, ozane tu tanya beri aroi ko.
Mite Education Society and Eastern Shine School Moray jointly organized its 14th annual prize distribution in the school premises yesterday. Speaking on the occasion, President of Mite Council Moray M. Thombi encouraged students to engage in physical exercises and sports for maintaining good health along with studies. The 5th anniversary of monthly journal Nongsaba was celebrated at Manipur Press Club today. Speaking as the chief guest, Lok Sabha MP Dr. Thauchom Maina highlighted the role and responsibility of media in uplifting and guiding a society in the right path. Bright Finance celebrated its third foundation day at its office in Singjumai Mathak, Yumnam, Laikai today. Bright Finance released its 2019 calendar on the occasion and also donated food items to old age home. Mongsangai to mark the observance. Kanglai Park Loinasilol Apunba Marup Clam held its 6th monthly event entitled Loinasilongi Kongchat at Tera Ideal Club today. 5th edition of Clam's monthly journal, Loinasilol Nachom, was also released in the event where 19 women writers recited poems and 5 men writers read out short stories. Mangal Rural has offered assistance to workers of Sangai housekeeping and cleaning services today. The event was held at Malem Ima Community Hall near the head office of Sangai Housekeeping and Cleaning Services in Thangmaiban, Yumnam, Laikai. 35 shoes were provided for the workers on the occasion. Speaking to media, proprietor for Mangal Rural Ningthaucham Sujit said that the company has been helping those in need from its profits. It said the shoes were distributed today in appreciation of Sangai Services for all its contributions. It may be mentioned that Sangai Services, offering a range of housekeeping and cleaning services including mowing grass, have so far employed 60 men and 50 women in the state.
Higi su oina akoina phangaiba profit tu dagi chaurakna akoina khungu pair se pair chanipan aduga TV kun LED TV kun amadi sis LED TV LED bulb chamri aduga sis laptop yankhai gumba se Manipur gi jaga singda yanthokena akoina planning tawri March.
Members of Lions Club Kanchipur has donated food items to the Dhananjoy Physically Handicapped Residential English School in Khongman Zone 2 today. Members of the club handed over food items including rice and lentils to founder of the school, H. Brojendro. Tulihal Battalion of 9th Sector, some rifles under the aegis of Headquarter IGAR South, saved the life of a snake bite victim yesterday. The victim, T.H. Prem from Samuro in Imphal West, was bitten by a poisonous snake and was evacuated to the unit hospital. The patient was attended by the medical team under the regimental medical officer and was provided prompt medical assistance. Development Central Committee Kiamgai has distributed blankets to elderly persons over 70 years of Kiamgai Kairao today. MLA of Kairao Assembly Constituency Laurembam Rameshwar and residents of the area attended the event held at Kiamgai Haibong Makong Lampak Community Hall. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Rameshwar appreciated the elders for choosing him as their representatives. He assured that he will never forget their kindness and repay them from time to time with his capabilities. Facebook group Facebook Real Friend has organized a voluntary blood donation camp at CJ Hospital in Langol today. Secretary of the group, K. Bipin, said the blood donation camp was held as a part of the ongoing efforts to help those in need. 26 volunteers donated blood in the camp. Manipur Adventure and Mountain Biking Association Mamba has accorded a warm reception to cyclist Puritsabam Dennis, who cycled all the way from Mumbai under the banner One More, spreading the message of unity without any discrimination at Mamba office in Luang Sangbam, Matai, Imphal East today. 32-year-old Dennis from Porompa Thawan Leika of Imphal East started his cycling tour from Malad Gurudwara in Mumbai on October 27th. And now the sports news. Chief Minister N. Biren kicked off the Myanmar-Manipur women footballers friendly football match as a part of the ongoing Manipur Sangai Festival at Khuman Lampak Main Stadium today. In the friendly match played today, Manipur 11A beat Mandalay 11 3-1. Manipur 11B and Saigyang 11 will meet in the second match at Khuman Lampak Main Stadium tomorrow. Chief Minister N. Biren presented Chief Minister of Myanmar's Saigyang region, Dr. Mian Nyang, who came to witness the football match, a painting depicting the first meeting of Khamba and Thoibi upon her return from exile in Kabul. England polo team and India polo team B Manipur have beat their opponents in the 12th Manipur Polo International Tournament at Imphal Polo Ground today. England polo team defeated India polo team A 10-1 during the sixth match with 4 goals scored by George Amar and 3 goals by George Shelton and Henry Amor. Colonel Tarsin Singha scored 1 goal for India team A. During the seventh match, the its Kauba scored 4 goals and 1 goal each by S. Bimol, P. Ojit and T. Pradeep, giving India polo team B Manipur a win against England polo team 7-4. Shad Browmon and Kona Deal scored losing goals for England polo team. The International Polo Tournament is organized by Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association, participated by teams from USA, England, Uruguay, along with India Team A and Team B Manipur. Before we end the bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah asserts men have major responsibility in empowering women. Forest Minister Tej Shyamkumar vows to save Loktak Lake, warns against construction in and around Loktak Lake. MoMA signs memorandum of agreement with 2 private companies for exporting organic ginger, turmeric and king chili, Umorok. And petroleum companies gear up to open 171 new regular and rural fuel outlets in Manipur.